Hello guys, welcome to Engineers Ved Shastra. In this video, I am going to give you a course overview of Microsoft projects and we'll be working on Microsoft Project 2016 version. So let's get on to it. Here are the topics that we are going to cover in this course. First, a small introduction to MS Project 2016, calendar, tasks and its relationships, WBS, constraints and recurring tasks, define and assign resources, resource analysis and leveling, tracking, earned value analysis, filter and groups, multiple projects, customization and formatting, macros, and finally reports. So let me just give you a little brief about these topics, that what are we going to discuss, so that you will have a clear idea about it. So in introduction, we'll be talking about what is MS Projects, why it is used and its roadmap, and then I'll make you familiar with its graphical user interface. In calendar, we'll be talking about types of calendar in MSP like standard, night shift, etc. I'll be showing you how to create it and with complete steps of adding exceptions, holidays, and also to assign it to your project in MSP. In task and its relationships, we'll be first taking up some basics of networking to move forward, like task modes, successors, predecessors, lag, league, free slack, total slacks, type of dependencies between different tasks, etc. In WBS, it is basically a work breakdown structure. In this, we will learn how to make WBS, and I will take up an example to show you on MSP and to define it well. In constraints and recurring tasks, we'll be defining types of constraint and we can apply on projects. We will learn how to define recurring tasks. In define and assigning resources, we will first discuss different type of resources like work, material, and cost. We'll be defining and assigning resources to the project in this unit. In resource analysis and leveling, this is very important step in any project. In this, we will discuss about allocations and leveling of resources. In tracking, we'll be comparing the estimates and actuals. We will be setting up a baselines and I'll show you different ways of tracking and updating any project in MSP, like tracking in tables or in Gantt charts. In earned value analysis, this is the most important evaluation for any project. I'll give you a detailed explanation of each term like earned value, planned value, and how to calculate it on MSP. In filter and groups, we'll be talking about how to filter out or sort out specific tasks and group them. It is sometimes very useful in specific projects. In multiple projects, customization and formatting, and macros, we'll be discussing about some other features of MSP. And finally, in reports, I'll be showing you how to create different types of reports, as it is really important to present your work in effective and efficient manner. It will be good if you have prior knowledge of CPM and PERT, but don't worry if you don't remember these concepts. I'll be giving these lectures from the scratch, considering that you're just a beginner. So enroll now by subscribing Engineers Ved Shastra so that you will never miss another video. And if you like this video, like and share with your friends and colleagues. Soon I'll be uploading further lecture videos, so stay tuned.